Welcome back to TON Orbital. I'm Tonio, and today we're diving into the exciting world of BeMo Protocol. If you're curious about how to make the most of your TON tokens while keeping them liquid and versatile, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, what is BeMo Protocol? BeMo is a non-custodial liquid staking protocol built on TON blockchain. It's the first liquid staking application on TON, allowing you to stake your native TON tokens and, in return, receive stTON tokens. These stTON tokens can be used freely across DeFi applications, while your original tokens remain staked and earning rewards. Now, let's break down the concept of liquid staking. Normally, when you stake tokens like TON, your assets are locked up, meaning you can't use them for anything else until you decide to unstake. This limits your ability to stay active in the market. Liquid staking changes the game. It works by issuing LSTs, or liquid staking tokens, in exchange for your staked assets. These tokens represent the amount you've staked and can be traded, used in DeFi applications, or leveraged for additional yield-generating activities. With liquid staking, you get the best of both worlds. Your assets earn staking rewards while you retain the flexibility to use them elsewhere. When you stake your TON tokens in the BeMo app, you'll receive stTON tokens in return. These tokens represent your share in the staking pool. The exact amount of stTON you receive is determined by a smart contract based on the current stTON per TON exchange rate. As the staking pool grows and earns rewards from each validation round, the value of stTON increases relative to TON. This means your stTON tokens become more valuable over time, reflecting the rewards accrued by the BeMo protocol. Now, let's stake some TON together. First, let's head over to the BeMo website. You can find the link in the description below. Next, we'll click the stake button to navigate to the staking page. Once we're there, we'll connect our wallet. If you're using TONkeeper or TON Hub or any other supported wallet, it only takes a few clicks to link it up. Great, now that our wallet is connected, we'll go to the staking dashboard and enter the amount of TON we want to stake. Here, we'll stake 3 TON and receive 2.79 stTON. We can also see our estimated BeMo rewards and smart staking rewards, which are earned when using our minted tokens in DeFi platforms. We'll now press the stake button and approve the transaction in our wallet. Once the transaction is processed, we'll see those stTON tokens appear in our wallet. Now that we've staked our TON tokens, they're officially earning rewards in the staking pool. Scrolling down reveals additional details about BeMo, such as the total value locked, APY, and other details you might find interesting. There is also something here called stXP. stXP is a token that rewarded BeMo users for staking TON tokens, operating as a virtual asset within the stTON ecosystem. While the incentive program has ended and no more stXP tokens will be distributed for now, previously earned stXP contributes toward a future BeMo airdrop. To learn more about stXP, explore the BeMo docs or join our Telegram channel for detailed insights. In the extra yield section, we can see which stTON farms and pools are available. For example, we can provide liquidity for the TON/stTON pair in STONFi or any other platform we prefer. When it's time to unstake, head over to the Unstake page, input the amount, and choose one of 2 options. Either unstake and wait for the set period, or select Unstake Now to instantly swap your tokens on a DEX. Note that instant swaps might result in a slightly worse exchange rate. We'll select Unstake Now, which redirects us to the DDoS swap page to swap our tokens. Now we just need to confirm the swap in our wallet, and it's done. Lastly, the rewards page is where you'll find the most recent updates on BeMo rewards, tokens, and more. And that's everything you need to know about staking TON tokens with BeMo Protocol. Whether you're looking to earn passive income, explore new DeFi opportunities, or just support the TON blockchain, BeMo makes it simple and rewarding. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Stay informed with the latest TON news by following us on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.